Endra mensa eka audio bi ne krane nyame nim mensa kan audio ne mani anje because ensemo ana meti wom no nipa ko no ohwa odi ebufuo ena na wode kasa ebubodin eka nsemo akese to the point where odi answer ne beto aso no subscribe na click the notification bell no so mebo audio natural send your subscribe na we me notification bell na da screen so we are the latest news be about one sabeka. So yeah, can say no to the point where nipa krono wo even honorable Kennedy Japan din na wo kan sem bi mebo audio no na wa wetie wo san so kan sem etie for muntie ni yo o kan sem intam kese e kan sem efa easy ho eya ye say wo threaten the life of easy Jim Mensah the easy boss so wo bewu 12 I'm say we are getting 12 for den. Now, asem no meti ya me say Bosha, yes, it was posted by some NDC phobi. And I say, hey, na asem we free. Na me nti ase. Nti me yama de say dabi, me ye hwehwemu kakra na me hu say eye nipa ben. Say ya say we ye sofo. Na em say we ye sofo a we ye NDC for sofo. And I just say wo kasa sa no. Etiefo na me bebo ni din atre me bo ni din tre mu a de meye ene se mesan so ready de nkrofo kan after that particular audio me bo audio ne trewa ye friend Kwabena Owusu Ejei threatened to kill the EC na ye kotie audio ni wi a me ba be reading nsema nkrofo bi so kan ye kotie mbra.
History would have recorded it. There would have been no need to change history. We all know that it was Kwame Nkrumah who led us into independence. Nobody can change that history. Nobody. Dankwa didn't do Foko. Dankwa is a ritual murderist. They should come and ask me. He murdered his own brother, Achia Mensah, the chief of Abidjan, so that they can blacken the stool of Ufriata, his half-brother. This nonsense will not be tolerated. Are they the only Ghanaians? Why should we allow one small family to dictate to us? It will never happen. Let me tell them something. In June 4th, people were crying, let the blood flow. It was only military people whose blood flowed. Correct? Today, as I hear let the blood flow, it is the blood of the Achim mafias that will flow. There are two ways that I see. If we allow Akufo-Addo and his stupid Jim Mensah, that stupid girl, that idiot of a girl. Look, I'm telling Jim Mensah today, me, my grandmother, she has what every woman has. My mother, she has the same thing. All my sisters have the same thing. And everybody is born of a woman. If Jim Mensah thinks she was not born of a woman, but came from some other angle, she should go ahead and do the new register. Let me watch her. She will die 12 midday. She will die just like that. Nonsense. Idiot! You are a foolish girl, Jim Mensah. You are an idiot. I'm telling you today. Try it and you see. What kind of nonsense is that? You think you are better than us Ghanaians? You are better than the Christian Council who have advised you? Better than the House of Chiefs? Nonsense. Stupid Akufo-Addo girl. What about damn papa? She mean a yo. Common sense kwa muni bi. Cause she are for. Look, let me tell you something. Odifo Kwabena, he said 9 prominent MPP people will die before MPP wins power. Sometimes the prophecy doesn't come from me, but when the prophet
now that's what media also for media no krani enye ndra akra na ka meminti ni dinda na ka menim say we NDC for so force den. And then ndra, when I heard this I was like, no Charlie, wait there. You see, some time ago I was having a discussion here. Say Ghana, I was say yede share embrem. I said embrofofo no emra na yesuan fi omo ho no. Embrofofo no, they are not spiritual like us. Say ni ayen ahonhom ani nyama wo ya sase so no embrofofo na nya sa na ti o. Inti yesia emra no efiri wo mo ho no na nka nyema bi wo ho na nka wo se yen so yede yede eyeden ehyem but yesia ne tra na yeyi yen yede na nka wo se yede hyem no na nka yede wo se yede hye emra ne mu ene se Ghana will be threatening wo kra whether spiritual kra na e wo se yetumi chi nipa kono ne yede nipa kono ekokot ende wo sofo begina bonten eka se nipa we ebewu a wasofo no police want to mention no because so kwa yebeka say spiritual matter na say ya me the story bi brel asa che say oba bi area wo bi ebewia na ponchi mienu wakoton aponchi ma mi bia wo ye choba wo mo a wo ba ni bodia ma obodia se wo bia aponchi na no beka na no bia no nipa ko no nsu be sa day no nkrofo 7 choba ho we aponchi na mo muni na awuye yedi ko police for hom say spiritual matter yentumi enye na hwe na so na nke wo Ghana mbremu a because what happens and then let me relate it to this what is happening now and they say asem we a osofu ya ye kan say wo ye NDC for osofu aken police work ko china wo betumi aka say spiritual matter no work and then the police will leave him police work ko china beka say oh it's not a physical matter he was talking about spiritual matter and you know what will happen the police will leave him inti yeba na samra na ya hihye wo man mu a because ye hihye samra na wo man mu ebema these reckless talks ebejai sabe we NDC ni na wo se wo support asem we papa we eka o ye manmofo and I said it countless occasions say the EC boss no ye na mekra na personally mempe I feel say no she's not being competent because Usha nyama wode atu akwemu a she's just calling for chaos obi a will follow me channel bia na makasa ansem no but that doesn't mean I should wish the death or I should call for the death or threaten for the death of the EC boss dabi sabi oye minia penyi ana me auntie bia sabi anka me pewu se wo be ya de na nya ene ntrese nipa kro no sabi hona you are thinking of the person's death dabi yes and I will say we man before and the thing is a lot of people are supporting this man as same we are working a lot of NDC people are support it's because of political power someone should die a breadwinner should die because of your like political gains there should be limits to some things so one pro be asem krana there should be limits inyama bi wo ho so say oh nipa we mempe na asem na nso I will not wish this thing for the person just say Ghana need there one pro be asem owo na be say bani how wicked can you be me ti asem no me ka say no ebia there wo kano ebia you are making some points but you see things like this o de sha woka semu a ema wa asem ni na no you forget ebia nyansa semu a ewom no na afei sa asem na wokan no eno ne be concentrate wo so because you said a lot of things in that statement but you see ahe we are all forgetting about it and ewu na wokan ye efa EC boss ne ho no eno na sisi aye ka so whose fault is it? It's your own fault in same bi wo ho aye kasa eni kwan se ye de hye ye kasa mu enye emmoa it will not help but how can you even do that? How can you even say this? I understand I side with you I feel say EC boss no the way she's doing her things no in go focus say as a war aligning ne ho with NPP officials I feel say yes in a way it is true I have said that on my channel countless occasions EC boss no to me nyama bia me hu no say dabi eni kwan say wo ye because EC boss no some time ago na ono na wo IPAC said den independent body a friend IPAC ono na otia no nsem bia wo kan ye embra wo IPAC no ende wono kra no wo ye nyama tia sansem no it clearly ube hu no say no she's not doing the right things but that doesn't mean you should call for the like you should threaten her death. No me say whether you support NDC or not, and I don't care you guys they be amudi matem NDC ni MPP for mudi matem come liar na anko ba ko liar na wa ba be di matem ombe phrase is your mo me number no ombe phrase is here ba be di matem but you see the whole thing is there all can I understand say easy boss ni nyama bi a wo ye na enye, but that doesn't mean you should. You see, it is an offense for a public officer threatening to kill her or say threatening her death. Where you be foul sisiana, me sure say police for be some meba be foul. You be foul sisiana, asem obe kan say, oh, a spiritual matter. Sambra na Ghana mbra na yenya ni ehwem. Ati, yenya ni ehwem. Aya sana, saa de na nsofo kraka say nipa we bewu on kan the public clubium because onim say e wo Ghana mbrem. Oba friend nipa ko na actually say e na Nyankopon waka yentu anamon say. It will make all those things stop. I say yakwa yes sua tre bi ma afei hyehyehye ye kon bi saa keke. On tre mo adwen.